everyone, welcome to another episode of Iane James Virtual Zone. I am your host, Yan, and I can help people like you start working from home and even if you think you don't have enough experience. And for today's video, I want to answer a questions I get all the time, which is what skills can I offer if I am a beginner virtual assistant? Maybe you're thinking you're not good at tech or you never worked online before, but don't worry, I will answer that. So here's the truth, okay? So you already know more than you think. Even if you work, for example, in a store or you help your family with emails or use social media, you have a transferable skills. So that means you have done it before and you can use those skills in your new job. So I will give you a simple skills you can offer as a beginner virtual assistant. So number one is email management. So you can help people check, reply, or organize their emails. Second is calendar and appointment scheduling. So you can book meetings for them, keep things organized for busy owners. Number three, social media posting. So even if you just help posting on Facebook or Instagram, it's a skill, right? And number four is simple graphic design. So if you use Canva, you can create basic posts, captions, quotes, or flyers. Number five is online research. So you can help Google things and collect informations and find prices. Number six is data entry. So you can type information into spreadsheets or form. Number seven is customer support. So if you have an experience in a store and you know how to be kind and helpful, that can work online too. So to see, we have different tools that you can use so you can learn even as a beginner. Like for example, Canva. So you can make designs and posts. Google Calendar to schedule tasks and meetings. Zoom to meet clients. Or Gmail to manage emails. Or Trello Notion, which is a project management tool where you can track to-do lists, right? And of course, ChatGPT or any other AI app. So yeah, you can ask for help with regards to writing things and creating content. And the best part is you can learn these tools for free and you can just go to YouTube and you can go to TikTok. So just start searching and start practicing. So here's my tip. You don't need to offer everything at once. At least two or three things you enjoy and feel confident doing. And then from there, you can grow. Okay? So you do have something to offer. So whether it's, social media or helping in emails or just being super organized, there are business owners out there who need your help. So if this gave you some ideas, so you can just hit the subscribe and leave a comment and tell me what's one skill you already have that you can offer. And yeah, thanks for listening. I am Iane James, and I believe you're just one step away from something amazing. So see you in the next episode. Bye!